Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's get started. What is Python? Python is a high-level, beginner-friendly, versatile programming language used in web dev, data science, AI, automation, and so on. Now, how do we install Python? Download it from python.org or install via package managers like Anaconda, Homebrew, and so on. I'm going to make a separate video tutorial on how to install Python, but I will leave an instruction in this video's description on how to do so in case you need to do it before I release the tutorial video. 3. How do we run a Python program? You use terminal or command line, IDLE or IDEs like VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, and so on. I would strongly recommend us to use VS Code because it's very easy and user friendly. It can be challenging sometimes, to install extensions and get your Python compiler ready in VS Code, not just Python, that programming language also. So I'm going to create a tutorial video also on how to install VS Code and set up Python for VS Code, so it's going to run and work perfectly. Now, number 4, Python syntax and indentation. Python uses indentation instead of braces for blocks. Number 5, comments. Two types of comments in Python are the single line and the multi-line comments. Multi-line comments are multi-line strings technically. They are not true comments. Let's see an example of each type of comments from lines 23 to 25. Now in line 23, hashtag, this is an example of a single comment. Alright, so single comment uses hashtags. Anything you write after the hashtag becomes a comment. Now lines 24 to 25, we have the multi-line comments, and that is syntax. 3 double quotes, then your statements, and at the ending of the statement you write another 3 double quotes. So that's an example of a multi-line comments. Now, what are comments actually? Comments are used to explain a code, make a code readable or understandable, leave notes for yourself or other developers, make a line or block of code inexecutable. That is, if you want to disable a particular line of code or block of code, you just comment on the particular line. If it's a line of code, you put a hashtag at the beginning, or if it's a multiple line of code, you do the multi-line comment format by putting triple double quotes at the beginning and triple double quotes at the ending. So everything in between the triple double quotes will turn to comments. Now, just know that comments are ignored by Python compiler and therefore they are not compiled. So if you want to deactivate a certain line of code or group of codes or block of codes, you convert them into a comment. I've explained that earlier. You can also use comments to explain a code or take notes like I did here. Everything that I've typed in this IDE, I used comments to write them. So it's not a program to be executed because it is just a comment. They are all just comments. So just know that you use single line comments for short notes and multi-line comments for longer explanations. Now, without further ado, let's write our first program, our first Python program. Now, this is the simplest program you ever write in Python, and it's just one line. And I think we all know it. Hello world. It's the first program that everyone writes when they just get started with a particular programming language. So this is how you write it. Print, then brackets, double quotes, hello I think hello world is used too much, so let me change it a little bit. Hello my audience. So let's run the code and see our output. Okay, so here we go. Hello my audience. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Remember, I'm going to post a tutorial on how to install Python and also VS Code, and how to set up Python with VS Code. So if you don't want to miss out on those videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, see you all. Peace out.